Hello everyone, welcome to Ignition Workshop. In today's video, just a quick one, going to be helping you get the centre console out of your Jeep Wrangler. So the first thing I've done is take the bolts out the side of the centre console here, and I've got a very good trick. Let's go and have a look. So the main problem when you're trying to take out the centre console is you have to pull the handbrake up. Now I've been looking on all the forums and everything, and they say just yank on it, and I think that's going to completely destroy the cable of the handbrake. So the little tack I've got is to remove the caliper, which is just two bolts at the back here. They're quite tight, you might need a breaker bar. Then you just have to tap lightly on the disc, pull the disc off, and then you've got this exposed. Now do that on both sides of the rear, and then you can pull the handbrake and it stretches, there's no resistance. So now I'm going to give it a try of removing. So we've got to pull this right the way up. Might sound a little bit horrible on the old brakes there, but it's okay. So I've moved the four-wheel drive selector into 4 high, which is the central setting, and I've got it in park. Now this should be ideal. So it starts to come up. Now here we've got a bit of resistance. You can pull it a bit further and over it goes, and I'll try and release that quite quickly. And now this piece slides out beautifully. Second piece, now should be the same deal. Up we go. Sounds a bit grim. Now he comes up, need a bit more on the handbrake, and up we go. Put that down, and now that should just be up and over. Now, compared to the other videos I've seen on the internet, that is way, way easier. Now, hopefully that helps you in some sort of way. Thank you for watching.